Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This reading is for Mike Pence and Kamala Harris. Both will be debating on 7th of October evening. That will be 6:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So what's going to happen? How is the day going to be for both of them? So here these are the cards for Kamala Harris and these are the cards for Mike Pence. So how will be the day? Kamala Harris, Page of Pentacles, but for Mike Pence, King of Pentacles. So here the day giving slight advantage to Mike Pence, but what other card says? The outcome suggests that Kamala Harris will be fairly satisfied with the outcome of the debate. For Mike Pence, he will take initiative in these debates and lots of he will raise lots of issues, but Kamala Harris will successfully counter him. And out of the two, Kamala Harris looks like will be more aggressive than Mike Pence in this debate. Whereas Mike Pence, he'll be fairly relaxed. Now, who will get advantage? Let's check out. Who is going to get the advantage? Kamala Harris or Mike Pence? Kamala Harris, card for Kamala Harris and card for Mike Pence. So looks like heartbreak for Kamala Harris and the High Priestess for Mike Pence. So looks like he is having some kind of plan for tomorrow's debate, some hidden plan which he will raise some such issues where she will fall behind Kamala Harris. So it's going to be advantage Mike Pence, and he will raise issues something related to women, and that's where he will get advantage, and that will be the difference between the two, King of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles. As such, the cards looks for both of them equal, but slight advantage. Why for Mike Pence? Now we know. He will come out with something where she will fall behind, and looks like heartbreak for Kamala Harris on some or the other issue. So that's it. Hope you like this reading. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.